Alright, we're back. I'm back. So, I actually just ran down, I paused the video, but I just ran down and to see if there was a breaker specifically for the disposal here, and there is not. So, we're going to be working with hot wires, guys. Hopefully, I don't get shocked. Just have to be careful. So, white to white, black to black, and white to white, black to black, and the ground right there. Simple enough. And what I'll have to do once well, let's see. So do this. That. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape these wires as I go. Alright guys, got the white detached. Taken apart. This is in the disposal. This is the from the power, or from the house rather. So what I'm doing, I'm going to tape these wires off because they are hot and I want to avoid shocking myself. I'll go ahead and do the black real quick. I'll come right back to you. Alright guys, we got both wires detached, flat. We'll call them flagged. This kind of looks like a flag. Yay. And now we just got to get the ground. Move these out of my way.
This goes in certain piles.
Ground. Just pop that off. Okay. Straighten that out. Very good. Alright, everything's disconnected. Now we need to loosen with the flathead. Need to loosen the collar there. Right there. Loosen that. Can't really see the wires in the way, but we're going to loosen these right here. And I'll come back to you when I'm done doing that. Alright guys, I'm back real quick. Had to get the power wire out of the disposal. Pulling it through the, I'm not sure what they call these, I guess wire harness, wire, or not, no, that's not right. But yeah, this